Hello, my friends. How are you? I am so glad you're here, and I wanted to take a moment to welcome you to my page and let you know who I am, what I do, what this page is all about, and what you might see here going forward. So come on in and let's chat for a little bit. My name is Beth. I am owner and creator here of the Ruffle Daisy. My life's passion to help you create a beautiful life. That is a phrase that's been coined before and you may hear, but I'm going to tell you what that means for me. A beautiful life consists of so many different things. It consists with the things that we bring in our home, including the people. People are important to me. Relationships are important to me. So I'm not only going to show you how to create a beautiful home with budget-friendly DIYs and projects, but I'm also going to help you and encourage you to building those relationships that you bring into your home, whether it be with friends, family, loved ones, whatever that looks like. You may see my husband pop in every now and then. He likes to do some cooking. He missed his calling as a cook, and maybe someday we'll bring him here on the page full time, but right now we will just bring him in periodically to hang out with you guys. He's a little bit of a jokester, so he likes to play around, and he's a pretty funny guy. He is 6'5", I'm 5'5", so he's quite a bit taller than me, so you will definitely see the difference. I have some kiddos that you may also see tumble in here on the page every now and then. Couples still live at home. Some are grown and on their own, and I have grandbabies. So you will hear me talking about that as well. The main thing that I do here on this page is my subscription box. This is a craft box that you can buy monthly, and we get together and we create beautiful, amazing pieces that I teach you how to do, whether you have the talent or not. I promise you that they turn out amazing, even for those of you who are like, there is no way I can do that like you. Yes, there is. I also have other things in my shop that you can just buy one off, and that is kind of what supports this page and helps me continue bringing you new things. I also have a blog, which I share tons of free information on. There are tons of DIYs. There are tons of recipes, which includes dinner recipes and yummy, yummy sweet recipes. And then we also include some inspirational stuff. And that goes along the line of what I was telling you about the relationships in our life and how we make those better, including the ones with ourselves. Let me give you a little bit of background on me and how this all became. I'm going to give you a real quick synopsis of my life and what brought me here. I grew up being able to do all the things that I wanted to do as a child. I had, my mother was a single mother, and I'm blessed with an amazing stepdad right now. And I was able to enjoy dancing, ballet, gymnastics, and cheerleading all when I was a kid. And when I was a kid, I was also very creative. Do you remember puffy paint in the 80s? Yes, my mom and I did puffy paint on shirts, you guys. My grandmother had a ceramic painting business in her basement. And so my creativity and passion for art just really started at a very young age. I did not have any training, you guys. No training. I've not gone to school for any of it. This is just all natural talent that you're seeing. And I have come to learn, being in my 40s now, that that is something I need to embrace. God gives us these amazing talents for a reason, and He wants us to move forward with them, you guys. It is our responsibility to do that, and I'm going to tell you right now that when you do, your life is much more dynamic and full of magic and absolutely amazing. I've been married to my husband, Brian, for about 20 years now, and I was blessed to be able to be a stay-at-home mama with my babies. That is a huge blessing in today's world, and I know that, and He gave me the opportunity to start the creation of this business. I've been doing this for 11 years now. I can't believe we're going into our 11th year. But what it looks like now is not what it looked like at all in the beginning. In the beginning, I just dabbled in a little bit of blogging. I shared my creative side with you, but I did not run it as a business. And now, As my children have gotten older, my youngest is in middle school. It's given me the ability and the time to be able to focus on you guys more and helping you build the life that you want to build. The road to where I have become today is obviously not the road where I will end up on. And it's also been a road of struggle. Depression is very real in my life. And so I talk about all that with you guys. There is so much on my blog about it and just about my journey of how I've got here. And you guys are going to learn more of that about me. And I'm going to share those struggles with you and how I came from just 4 or 5 years ago where, ladies, I did not want to be here. I did not know what my purpose was. I didn't feel like there was any worth in me to give to the world. And I know now that we all have that, you guys. That devil knocks at my door sometimes still, but we definitely push it away and we learn how to talk to ourselves, and we believe the things that we truly are. And that is where I help you with the relationships, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys are here. I love the relationships with the community that I have here. My investment into you is what is the most important thing. And so I invest into you because I appreciate what you invest into me and my business. I'm not going to promise you that there will not be days where you're not going to struggle, because you will. There are going to be hard days. You know that we've lived through this in the whole pandemic, and so there will be hard days. That is where you find a community like this, where you just get in with each other. You encourage each other. You lift each other up. And you know what? Maybe you just want to see me create something pretty. Maybe you don't have the brain power to really do any deep soul searching that day. And so maybe you just want to sit and watch me craft, and that's okay too. My God gave me a great, very, very dynamic mind. And so I have so many things planned for you guys that I cannot wait to bring to fruition. And so I am so thankful and so thrilled that you are on this journey with me. And I hope that you enjoy the path that you walk together with me. I want you to know that my door is always open, my coffee is always warm, or I always may have a glass of wine ready if that's what you need. I want to thank you for being here. I want to thank you for choosing to spend a part of your day on this page and in this community. And I want you to know that I see every one of you. I would love for you to help me get this out into the world. You will hear me say on this page, planting the daisies, and that is exactly what it means when I say share. We like to plant the daisies around the social media platforms so that we can build this community into an amazingly strong community, because that is truly what the world needs. Again, thank you so much for being here. I know that I am taking a part of your day when you choose to spend it on this page, and I want you to know that I do not take that lightly. So thank you for being here. I love you guys, and I hope that we make this an amazing journey. I love you.